Now what this is a covering that will cover over top of a windshield that will stop any type of frost, snow, or maybe even leaves or something like that getting on your window. Came in this little bag right here, and here's exactly what it looks like. So it's a type of like reflective type material on that side. It's got a little sewn area around right there. That goes around your mirrors, and then this is gonna close up in the doors. Now this is kind of like a generic size that'll fit just about any windshield. So you guys see this part right here. This goes around the rear view, the side mirror, and then these little hooks right here will hook down on the rim, just like that. And then this opens up and closes in the door like that. And that's what it looks like. See how it covers down over top? Now I have a small little kind of antenna, and that's why it's sticking up, but my windshield wipers are covered. All of this is covered, and then this goes right down there like that, and that's how it holds on there. And then the same way on this side, outside this little antenna, maybe I can go around it like that, and then see how it closes up inside there, so it's not gonna blow off of there, and it's gonna hold in place, you know, pretty much through any type of storm or anything like that. Everybody, I think this is a great option for anyone that just needs to have a good covering on their window for like snow, ice, sleet, or anything like that. And in the mornings when you get up, that way you can just take this off and you're ready to go. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the windshield covering. See you on the next video.